So the car show was wrapping up, and then this car caught on fire. Oh wow, what a tragedy. Wow. And he's just spraying water on it. Little garden hose. Uh-oh. Fire department's gonna be here soon. Look at that. You need a fire extinguisher on that. You can't get entertainment no better than this. Wow. Uh-oh. Wow. What a shame. Boy, fire department needs to get coming. And he's just using a regular old water hose. What a shame. Oh, here comes the fire department. I hear it in the background. Here they come. Wow, what entertainment. Just in a nick of time. Oh, that thing is really firing up now. And look at these guys, just taking a little time. Do. Oh. It's starting to pop over here. Ooh, wow, look at that. Fire. Wow, what a shame. Wow. I can kind of feel heat from right here, and I'm a good 50 feet. Wow. Wow, I am so sorry, dude. And we filmed this not too long ago. And they just talked to him. He just bought this car and just won an award for it. Wow. How exciting. And now the police are here. It's all fun and game until the police get here.